because dangerous riptides.
And this one's straight forward.
Found another World War II signal tower to sleep in.
There she is there, look. After sleeping like a baby all night. I wasn't paranoid at all because I'm tucked in that corner. There was no wind. Look at that, perfectly wind protected. That's the kind of spot you want. Now look, it was very tight up against the bike, as you can see. Look, the tent is kind of lopsided. But what I always do is I throw the tent down first, and then I just jump in, I lie and see, will this be comfortable enough before I start throwing out sleeping bags and the blow up bed and pillows and all. So I just hop in the thing and go, yeah, that seems comfy enough. And it was cozy, yeah, it was grand. I was a bit tight now, to be honest, because this ground was lifting up. I actually had to shove my feet right in here in the corner, but no, it was lovely. I slept for like, well, on and off. I was waking up a bit early because my alarm is for 8:30, but I got up about around 10 or something. So but it was well needed. The legs need the rest, you know. You have to think of the body. Mentally you might be alright, but the body needs its rest and its recovery. Sleep is the most important thing you can do. So I'm going to throw the drone up here for you, show you a little 10-second clip of the area from above. I'm going to go out to that famous Murder Hole beach. It's out there somewhere, so let's see if we can access it by a bike. And in the meantime, I'll get my portable charger ready. I have to go by them houses or mobile homes to get to the beach, and then I have to come back out all the way out that way. So I'm going to see, can I throw in my portable charger in the meantime and get that charged up. Let's go. Right, so here we are. Look at this red day, first of all, and I'm sure I'm getting burnt, so I need to take cover. But this is Murder Hole Beach. Look at that for an absolute beauty. Just tucked in here. The only way is up and over through the farmer's field, but they've put a path in now. It used to have no public access, and now they've put a road in so people can get to it. But like, imagine this has been tucked away the whole time. And this little farmer's had this beach to himself. Some boyo. But now it's €5 to park your car just before the Murder Hole Beach, and you walk about 20 minutes to get to it. But look at that for a beauty. Now it says no swimming because dangerous riptides, and like that's more or less all over the west coast of Ireland. There's always dangerous rips. So yeah, be careful wherever you go. And this says no swimming. But I mean, they could put a sign there for every single beach in Ireland if that's the case, because they're all quite dangerous, so you just have to be careful. But yeah, look at them views. I need to take cover in a bit of shade. In fact, I don't even think I'm going to be getting any shade out here. Wow, look at that. Where can Aaron get a bit of shade and cook his lunch? Or breakfast? I haven't even had breakfast. Oh, he spotted his place. Good stuff. And look at that other beach over there. That's even sneakier because they haven't put out a path to that beach over there. Look at that. Wow. I think we'll fly the drone up. Can't stop the drone, can you? Let's check it out. Jump down here in the shade, tucked in behind the cliffs, trying to avoid sun cream. I mean, I have a small supply with me, I'll see how I get on today though. Today is hot, like probably like 20, maybe 22 degrees. So, you know, if I can save the sun cream for some time that I'm really out in it or I can't get shade, then I'll do that. Yeah, and just stay fresh without sun cream for as long as possible. But today's going to really put it to the test. And maybe I should put a little, I think I will put like maybe a little on my neck or my ears and my nose, because I've been getting a bit sunburn during the week and it hasn't even been that hot out. So anyways, I think you get the idea here of Murder Hole. Get the lunch, get the breakfast in, and that's the job. Let's get an egg in there, get it cooked up. Some heat, boys. Had to throw a bit of sun cream on the head, the shoulders and the neck. I probably banged out about, I don't know, 10-15k there. But this is the spot here, Dow Castle View, just stopping at a little viewpoint. I think the next stop is going to be for an ice cream or a bit of munch or something, but have a look here. That's her out there across the way. Yeah. Right, let's bounce. Ireland, what a beautiful place. Just look at this. Just look at it. Little boats out. Look at all the little houses along. So gorgeous. I stopped at another beach just for a little bit. Post some videos on social media, keep people updated, because I feel like I may not have signal up there, which is the next location. So I have to cycle around that, do a big loop, and I'm back on the road again. So the road will be going that way, but it makes me go that way as an extra bit. But I'll do it, and the plan is I would like to try and camp up there up there in that mountain somewhere. It's getting late in the evening, but I'd like to crack on. And the logic behind cycling up, stopping halfway is I put in the work for the rest of the evening, boom, I'm wrecked, I'll be able to fall asleep, I feel like the day is accomplished. But also waking up in the morning, starting off with such a great start to the day, just flying down a hill, what a way to start a day. So let's go. And I've been enjoying these Johnny's onion rings, 3 different types of flavors in an 8-pack. Unbelievable. Get these into you. This was not sponsored by Johnny Onion Rings, or maybe it was. This ad is sponsored by Johnny Onion Rings.
Found another World War II signal tower to sleep in. How about this for views? Look, the moon. Hello. And where have I came from? Well, I must have came from them houses way down there. I'll pop you around the corner for a second to show you the views, but it's windy out here. That's the dinner on. Yeah, go ahead, yeah. There's the sunset there. In there it's totally covered by the wind, so it's warm. It's a lot warmer, isn't it? Yeah. Makes a big difference, doesn't it? No worries. Yeah, I reckon so.
Brilliant, that's your
Yeah,
good fun.
good, isn't it?
You're class.
Yeah,
That's the ticket.
I did one up in Mallinhead as well. They
Yes.
had this same thing.
I used to have that.
Just cover a bit of ground today, you know, and you
Yeah.
know, when you're up the hill, you're wrecked. You're like, right,
Yeah.
might as well, yeah.
And you've got the goose sleeping bag. For cold.
Yeah. Well, it's snug here, like, you know,
yeah.
just here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
And
for shelter in here.
Curiosity, what way do you sleep? Are you going to put a bed down on the ground on the floor? Yeah, on the mat down?
Yeah.
Sleep on there?
Yeah, I face like the door that way probably. And
Yes.
Yeah, I'll probably just pull the bike in the way of the door, you know.
Yes,
and
yes.
But I'll be up early, so
Yes.
you know, I
Aye.
won't be.
You're going to get sunrise then?
Yeah.
Yeah. See we get up early enough, we'll see you up here in bikes.
Yeah.
Like, trying to get her up. Our bikes are on the car. We're just up from Belfast there, just drove straight.
Oh yeah?
Aye.
Are you staying overnight?
Staying overnight with Dad's wee house out in, what do you call it? Port na Blah that side.
Yeah.
So it goes brilliant. The sun, see the sun goes down, you get after it goes down you get a real red bounce off the sky. After.
Yeah, it's a good spot. Hopefully it's quiet, you know, late at night. I'd say so. Usually these places are.
You'll be grand.
But it makes such a big difference, these walls.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Doesn't it? It really was. Because obviously he had like females on, so he took one, he took the other because of the t-shirt.
Yeah. The wind out there cut through you.
Sure, good job, aren't you?
Yeah. It's a good bite there.
It's good that you carry everything on it, like.
Everything, yeah.
On it.
I'm doing the Wild Atlantic Way
Right.
from north to south.
Yes.
Yeah, so it started about a week ago.
So where did you start from?
It starts in Muff. I think it starts in Muff.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
wow, yes.
I started in Derry.
Yes.
Yeah, because I could get a train as far as Derry.
Yeah, got you.
Yeah.
And then did you go out towards, what do you call it? Island Green? Is it Green Island or Green Castle?
No.
Green Castle? Did you go around it?
Green Castle, yeah, I
Yeah.
did, yeah.
So I was out
In
in
a
Muff.
Shawn, I think it's
Yeah.
called, is out there.
So I was out in Muff and I shot out your sister's. I went out to, where did you say you were before? What
Malin.
Malin Head. I went to Malin Head. But I just I went straight across. I didn't go around the coast. I just went straight for it. But I have an e-bike, so it's very easier.
That's the thing though, like you can't camp with them because
That's
you
it,
need to
yeah.
charge them.
Yes.
That's the issue. There's the sun is completely set and this is my tent here. I'm just in this building. Then people were here for a while, so I just ended the vlog. I ate my food. Now I've got my tent set up, so yeah, wish me a good night's sleep. Good night. And they're really annoying. They followed me. They're biting the face off me. I could fall asleep beside the road right now.